With the wheel turned out, you're going to use your trim tool. Going to get to this little button right here. Going to pop out the center. And then remove the button itself. Right beside it, there's another one right here. Pop that center. Go ahead and pull that button. We're going to use our Phillips head screwdriver to go ahead and remove this screw. Continue along the bottom here. If you have plastic push pins, you want to go ahead and remove them. Ours is missing from a few spots. Buttons that you do find, go ahead and use your trim tool, pop out that center section. Go ahead and rotate your wheel the other way. This will give you access to the inner fender liner. Remove the two buttons like we did on the other side. Okay, and grab your liner or your splash guard here. Work that down and out. Go ahead and install our pin in the center right here. Work our way out from there. I'm going to take our metal screw retainer, slide that up under the fender liner over that hole. I'm going to take our Phillips head screw, put it up through here, goes through the splash shield and into that little retainer, that little lock. And then go ahead and screw this together. Now work our splash shield under. Bring the wheel well liner over. And then we'll put our screw in. Install our button here. Go ahead and line up your fender liner with the splash shield. Go ahead and get your buttons installed. Repeat for the other side.